very important truth, sacred secret. I wanted to clear it. What is power? What is power? Because now this 70 powers has become a big word. Please understand. Power means the energy circuit in your biomemory and muscle memory gets connected to your bioenergy and able to keep that circuit alive forever is power. Listen. Your biomemory has many energy circuits, like this third eye power. Your muscle memory has many energy circuits, like ability to lift any amount of weight. Awakening any one of the circuit which connects muscle memory and biomemory both, connecting it with the bioenergy and keeping it alive, awakened forever is power. There are multiple circuits, energy circuits in your system. Yesterday night, I have cleared one more power. Maybe today or tomorrow, the first initiation is going to be given for Gurukul kids. In water bottle, they will drop some object, maybe a stone or some object. Naturally, it will reach the bottom of the water bottle. Just by staring, they will levitate it. Just by staring at it, through will, they will levitate it. They will levitate the mass just by staring at it. You will see the demo maybe within a week, because the science is complete. It's actually 10 times easier than third eye awakening. All the kids whose third eye is awakened will be able to do it directly. The practical use of this power is, first of all, you can always clean up your body. Any unnecessary toxins, you can just clean it up, clean it up, clean it up. Unnecessary things you can levitate it up in your body and vomit it out or push it out. Inside a water body, you will be able to move the mass as you want, just by will. Then naturally the next step is, inside a space, means in an open space, you will be able to move a mass as you want. That will be the next step. I think today or tomorrow when I find time, I am going to initiate the kids, the Gurukul kids, and demo you may even see in next 2-3 days. The kids will show you the demo. I'll explain the energy circuit of this power, bioenergy, which is omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient. But the biomemory and muscle memory does not believe themselves as omnipotent. So the experience and cognition of the omnipotence which bioenergy has need to be brought into biomemory as a circuit and need to be brought into muscle memory as an extension circuit, and it needs to be just kept alive. Then When the omnipotency is felt by the biomemory and muscle memory, it just does anything by its will. And everything external responds to this experience. Everything external responds to this truth, responds to this bioenergy's expression. Understand? Bioenergy can be made available into biomemory and can be made to express itself through the muscle memory, and the circuit can be kept alive permanently. When each circuit is kept alive, it expresses various powers. So understand the definition of this power. Power means awakening the energy circuits of your biomemory and muscle memory, connecting it with your bioenergy and keeping it alive is power. Now the second important thing I want to tell you, even if one or two powers have started manifesting in you, you can use that directly for your health, well-being, wealth, mental peace, completion, enlightenment, for everything. Everything you want, you can use that in your practical life. That is what is called applied science, samyama. Samyama means, Mahadeva describes samyama as the collective experience of Tarana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Of course, Patanjali also gives the same definition. The collective experience of Tarana, Dhyana, Samadhi means when an idea is awakened in your muscle memory, it is called Tarana. When an idea is awakened in your biomemory, it is called Dhyana. When that idea is connected with your bioenergy, it is called Samadhi. That is Tarana, Dhyana, Samadhi. When an idea is established in you, a thought current is established in you, a spiritual circuit is established in you, it's not that the power which comes through that spiritual current will be useful only for that purpose. You can use it for multiple purpose. And more than 25 circuits are established and starts getting maintained. You will just live like a god. Altogether your space will be different. Your desires will be different. Your thinking will be different. Your cognition will be different. Your inner space will be different. You will be different. The beauty of the powers is it matures you. Bondage of money, sex, pleasure is, it makes you more and more ugly for more of it. When you have money, for more money, you will go to any worst level. You will become any ugly level. I've seen people cheating own mother, own father, own brothers, just because they are going to have more money. money, sex, pleasure, all that makes you go to any cheap level, degrade yourself to any cheap level, binds you in such a worst way. With a spiritual power, it matures you so much. It matures you so much. Not only it has practical use, every time when you apply those powers in your day-to-day life, it ripes your system. It ripes your system. It ripes your system. When you are applying it few more times, suddenly in your cognition itself you settle down. I am omnipotent. I can see everything. Understand? When your cognition remembers you are omnipotent, the kind of a feeling connection you will have with Sadashiva and the cosmos and life, only then life is introduced to you. Please understand, when you apply this kind of powers few hundred times in your life, and when you get comfortable with it, then real introduction about life starts happening in you. You become so matured. Understand, every power applied again and again will remove insecurity and fear from your life, and much more contact between you and life. Understand?